Greetings everyone. So let us recap on solving equations. Alright, remember that an equation, it is a mathematical sentence made up of variables, operation signs, as well as a constant. It is a sentence that states that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Okay. So how do we solve this? This is 2x minus 8 equals to 12. So to solve this, it's going to be 2x minus 8 plus 8 equals to 12 plus 8. Remember, if we want to solve for x, we need to isolate x. How? By adding an inverse of negative 8, which is positive 8, on both sides of the equation to maintain the equality. So this is 2x is equals to 8 minus 8, that is 0, equals to 12 plus 8, which is 20. Then we divide both sides by 2, so x is equals to 10. Right, let us do example 2. For example 2, let us say we are given negative 5x minus 2 equals to 6 minus 4x. Alright, for this one, we need to have the variables one side and the constants on one side. So this will be 5x is equals to positive 4x, right? So 4x was a negative on the right hand side, so it will appear as positive on the left hand side. So is equals to 6 plus 2, right? So it's negative 5x plus 4x equals to negative x equals to 6 plus 2, which is 8. Then to isolate x, remember here we have an invisible one, so this is negative 1x. So to isolate x, we need to divide both sides by negative 1. So x is equals to negative 8. Third example, let us take the equation with the bracket. Alright, let us do equation with the bracket. It's 3 into x minus 4 equals to 12. We can solve this by doing the distributive property of numbers, which state that the number outside the bracket will multiply all the numbers inside the brackets. So this is 3x, 3 times x is 3x, 3 times negative 4 is negative 12 equals to 12. Then we need to isolate 3x, so it's going to be 3x equals to 12 plus 12. And remember, 12 was negative on the left, so it's going to appear as positive on the right. So this is 3x equals to 12 plus 12, which is 24. Then we divide both sides by 3, and then we find our value of x to be equals to 8. So here x is equals to 8. Alright, so whenever you are given an equation with the bracket, you must do the distributive property of numbers. Let us do example 4. For example 4, we are given x plus 4 all squared equals to x minus 3 all squared. Remember, the meaning of a number squared. It is a number multiplied by itself. So this is x plus 4 into x plus 4 equals to x minus 3 into x minus 3. Then we have to multiply out the bracket. So this will be x squared plus 4x plus 4x, which is 8x. 4 times 4, it would give us 16, equals to x times x is x squared, x times negative 3, negative 3x, 3 times, sorry, negative 3x, negative 3 times x, it's negative 3x. So it's negative 3x minus 3x, which is negative 6x. Then a negative 3 times negative 3, it's positive 9. So now we need to solve for x. How do we do that? We need to isolate the variables to the constants. So this is x squared minus x squared plus 8x plus 6x equals to 9 minus 16. X squared minus x squared will give us 0. Then 8 plus 6x is equals to negative 14x equals, then on the right hand side we have 9 minus 16, which is equals to negative 7. Then we divide both sides by 14. So x is equals to negative 7. Thank you.